First listen to this. This is original music.
The slow hypnotic asymptotic.
There are 4 models to choose from, and these are separate vocals and instrumental.
The slow hypnotic.
This is all done with BS-Roformer Leap, a powerful AI model that can separate vocals and instruments with incredible accuracy. At the start of this video, you heard the original song. Then you heard the isolated vocals. That's all generated by AI in just a few clicks. Whether you're making karaoke tracks, creating remixes, extracting acapellas, or removing vocals from music, this tool delivers impressively clean results while preserving audio quality. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install BS-Roformer Leap on your computer, download the required models, and separate vocals and instrumentals step by step. By the end of the video, you'll be able to process your own songs locally without relying on online services. So let's get started and see what BS-Roformer Leap can do. Click on Hugging Face Space link in my description to try BS-Roformer Leap. This is kind of tool you need to have locally installed if you are into music. To install locally, you need at least 4 to 6 GB NVIDIA graphic card. CUDA Toolkit 11.8 to 12.8, Python 3.10.11 FFmpeg, Visual Studio, Git for Windows. I have made a playlist installing these dependencies. You can check it. Once you're ready, click on 3 dots at right top and choose Run Local option. Choose Clone Git option and copy Git clone code. Now go to drive or folder you want to install this in and type cmd in folder path. A new command window will open. Paste code you copied to clone this. Now type cd space and go to folder you cloned. Copy and paste its path. Now you are in cloned folder. Create venv using Python 3.10. Activate venv with activation code. Now upgrade setup tools. Copy and paste pip upgrade code in command window to upgrade pip. Now you need to install PyTorch, but first check what version you got installed. To install PyTorch, go to main page of it and copy code and change your CUDA version. If you don't find matching version, just copy any code and paste in command window. Change version to yours and add Torch audio before installing. Once PyTorch installed, go to main folder and open requirements file. Change ONGS runtime to ONGS runtime GPU with version compatible to your CUDA toolkit. Add Gradio and spaces, then save requirements file. Now in command window run requirements code to install requirements. Once requirements installed, run main code. Running it first time will download models. When you see local URL, copy and paste in any browser to launch BS-Roformer. To avoid running codes again in main folder, create new text file. Open this text file and type this code as you see and save as run.bat. Now just double-click Run File and use it. To use Upload Audio File and choose Model and click Separate.
It never goes away. It never goes away.
And that's it. You now know how to install and use BS-Roformer Leap to separate vocals and instrumentals with amazing quality, all on your own computer. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more free AI tools and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. If you have any questions or run into any issues, let me know in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.